Slow cooker ribs, super simple. Ingredients: 2 cups barbecue sauce, about 580 grams. 1/4 cup brown sugar, about 55 grams. 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 3 teaspoons of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 3 pounds or 1.3 kilograms of baby back pork ribs. Salt and pepper, to your taste. Combine the barbecue sauce, brown sugar, cider vinegar, oregano, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, and chili powder in a small bowl. Add the salt and pepper to the ribs and place the ribs in the slow cooker, then cover with the sauce. Cook low and slow for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. After the ribs are done, spoon the barbecue sauce in the slow cooker over the ribs before removing. Cut the ribs and serve with barbecue sauce.